Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a full face using affordable products that consist of Milani, Wet n Wild, and Maybelline. I think that's right. So Maybelline. That's all I got to say. I don't know what else to say, but before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Smells so good. Oh, smells good. I have two of the Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I have 09A Natural Tan and I have 09 Tan. So 09A Tan right here, Natural Tan right here. And then you have 09 Tan right here. This one right here is 09A Natural Tan. And then this one is going to be 09 Tan. So Natural Tan looks a little bit, it looks dark, I'm not going to lie. It looks a little neutral, too neutral. And then Tan looks orange, too warm. See what happens if you mix them together. Okay, so I'm just gonna use 09A and probably just dab in just a little bit of 09 Tan and see what happens. I'm not very good at picking foundations and stuff. I just go with the flow. Sorry about that. Things might look a little different, like the lighting and stuff, but something was wrong and I had to fix it. But anyway, let's just continue. I don't know why I could. What is this? What am I doing? I got the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer, and I have mine in 145. Just lightly run the sponge over it. I'm going to take the Milani Translucent Banana Powder. Okay, so I'm going to take the same translucent powder and then just use a little bit, just use some of it around my mouth. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be taking the Milani Shine Proof Powder in the shade Medium 07. I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil. Okay, so I just took some of that same concealer on my eyelids and set it and everything. Well, I forgot to mention that I'm also going to have a Makeup Revolution thing in here, but I also have the Makeup Revolution palette. This is the Reloaded Velvet Rose palette. So I did bring you guys a little bit closer. Okay, so I just went ahead and did this eye off camera. And I also did the lower lash line. We're taking the Maybelline Full and Soft Thick and Healthy Looking mascara. We about to fight. Yep, we about to fight. So we ain't gonna mind this little dot that's right here. Okay, if you can't see it, that's good, but I just pointed it out, so it ain't no problem. Alright, cheese. I'm gonna be taking the Milani Baked Bronzer in Soleil. And for blush, I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink. Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder in Hustle and Glow. A little bit on the. I'm going to be taking the Colourpop SHAYLA, the SHAYLA X Colourpop Lippie Pencil in the shade BFF 4. Do I want to take this one? This shit gonna be real dark. We're gonna see. So this is what the pencil looks like right here. So I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer. What shade is this? In the 64 Unreal. My lips going through it. I was blending and blending and blending because I didn't like how I looked at it at first. They fed up. My lips fed up. I'm just gonna take the Milani Make It Last Matte and Finish Setting Spray. And that is the finished look, you guys. Hope you enjoy me doing a full face of using affordable products that consist of Milani, Wet n Wild, and so on. Liked how the look turned out. Looks pretty cool. Hey. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace. Oh, my hair going through it.